I don't know what happened, but I walked into this room and they're both like hissy puffies. What's going on, you guys?
Блять, сука ебанская, бля. Чё ж делать?
Me in my thoughts than me in real life. Literally. Decorating your house becomes stressful somehow when you raise a cat. When you're an introvert and suddenly get approached for a conversation. One thing's for sure, the gravity is no best friend with cats, especially chubby ones.
Wait, why does it smell like updog in here?
Kind of obstacle of the freelancer life that no one told you about.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Curiosity often leads cats to awkward places. No joke. Mom, look at me. Absolutely disgusting. I told you not to bring those two home.
See if you can catch it. What?
Is this you as a kid when mom told you to grab something? Just totally blind to it? Well, not the best behavior, but at least the cat has the determination.
Bro, are you good?
What if you run into some supernatural force? Worship it, of course.
Nope.
Its ego is so big that you will see him trying for a while.
Nope.
So as long as it snows, your backyard will never be tedious. Like humans, cats talk to themselves sometimes. just with a bit more intensity. Bro won't even know what woke him up. Whatever he did, this embarrassing moment will be stuck in its head for long. Air thinks it's the most important until meeting a cat and its food can.
How much more of a circle can you be?
Let's rate how lazy your cat is. I will give this guy a 9.
Alors je me demandais pourquoi j'avais 25 piles de message non d'Alexia qui se trouve à côté, mais en fait...
When curiosity takes over a cat's brain, the outcome is rarely good. No strategy, just powerful jabs. And that's how silly cats communicate every day. What's theirs is theirs, and what's yours is also theirs. Better get used to it. Its tail must be stressed out with this level of surveillance.
Beautiful tits and wreck. Love it. See ya.
What kind of grudge does that string have with the cat anyway? Energy is neither created nor destroyed. It just transfers from you to the hyperactive cat. At this point, I think it can even take a nap on the desert.
Your tail is in the water.
Maybe even a 9.0 Richter earthquake could only make a cat this excited. Among the feline society, OCD cats aren't minors at all, and they only drink pure water. Hope she never sees this video. She has no clue what took her down. Maybe even now, he still doesn't get how he got caught. Everything being on its mind is how to get attention. Logic is optional. Cat might drink properly once he knows how water bill affects his meal.
Sif, what even is that butt?
It's like going outside through the toilet's window. Why the hard way, though? Only a hand to lie on? Challenge accepted.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside because you'll invade Poland, so I really can't do that. You're gonna have to stay inside.
Not everything appearing on you is fur, Reggie. There are ways to tease a clean cat, but messing with its fur is the easiest. Better not digging into details. Cats see things you don't. Just a chill cat enjoying its free exclusive bus. Playing with someone long enough and this phenomenon will happen.
How did you get in there? How did you get in there? Come on then, smart ass, get out.
Even higher? What are you trying to do? Climb the Grand Canyon? Here comes the enemy of decoration and landscape, an energetic cat. Me being stressed after eating a McDonald's discount combo.
Pero bueno, pero que hay más tetas, que hay más tetas. Mala preciosa, hola.
There won't be another pet that's as dramatic as cats. They're born actors. I can totally imagine this cat judging humans for using a back scratcher.